everyone, welcome to Chinese Pod. My name is Di Lu.
Hey guys, my name is John. You're listening to an elementary lesson. And today we're talking about a very important and sometimes very annoying phenomenon here in modern society.
Yes, we're going to talk about cell phone ringtones.
Right. So those are two very key words in our dialogue for today. So the word for cell phone or mobile phone is
手机,手机.
All right, so that's third tone and first tone, right?
没错,
手机. All right, and then the word for ringtone is
铃声,铃声.
so that's
Second and first.
okay, so L-I-N-G second, right?
铃,
And then S-H-E-N-G first.
第一声.
铃声.
对,铃声.
Okay, 铃声. Literally, this means bell sound, right?
But if we say 手机铃声, it means your cell phone ringtone.
Okay, got it. Anyway, you're going to hear both of these words, both 手机 and 铃声 in the dialogue, which we're now going to listen to 3 times.
对话第一遍。
哎，谁的手机在响？
小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会，
声音太大了。
就是烦死了。
第二遍。
哎，谁的手机在响？
小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会，
声音太大了。
就是烦死了。
第三遍。
哎，谁的手机在响？
小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会，
声音太大了。
就是烦死了。
All right, don't worry. We're now going to go through that line by line.
谁的手机在响?
Whose cell phone is ringing?
谁的手机在响?
Whose cell phone is ringing?
谁的手机在响? 小王的,
小王's.
小王的,
小王's.
小王的,铃声真难听。小王呢?
The ringtone sounds terrible. Where is 小王?
铃声真难听。小王呢?
What a terrible ringtone. Where's 小王?
铃声真难听。小王呢? 他在开会。
He's having a meeting.
他在开会。
He's in a meeting.
他在开会。声音太大了。
The volume is too big.
声音太大了。
It's too loud.
声音太大了。就是烦死了。
Yeah, it's so annoying.
就是烦死了。
Exactly. It's so annoying.
就是烦死了。
All right, so lots of useful expressions and vocabulary here.
Let's look at the first sentence.
Yeah, so right off the bat in this dialogue, we know that there's a really annoying cell phone going off, right?
I don't know if you know about this ringtone, this song.
Not really. Why? What is that ringtone?
We'll talk about that later. But let's look at this question.
Okay, so the question is,
谁的手机在响?
okay, so the word for who in Chinese is
谁? 谁?
second tone, right?
没错。
So if we want to say whose cell phone,
谁的手机? 谁的手机?
okay, and in this case, the cell phone is doing something, right?
响,响.
Yeah, so that's the verb, which means to ring, to make noise.
没错。
And it's third tone, right?
对,响. But if you want to say it's happening,
Yeah, the verb is currently in progress, right?
we need to add a character in front of the verb.
Yeah, and that is 在, fourth tone, right?
是的。在响,在响.
So to be ringing, right?
没错。
So the whole question is,
谁的手机在响? 谁的手机在响?
whose cell phone is ringing? Okay, and whose is it?
小王的,小王的.
Okay, so it's 小王's. Just like in English, we can leave off the noun. We don't have to say 小王's cell phone. We can just say 小王's.
啊，对的。
Okay, but then we get to the very important topic of how terrible the ringtone is, right?
Ah, do you remember how to say ringtones again?
Yes. 铃声.
Very good. 铃声，铃声。
All right, so what's the comment on the 铃声?
哦，铃声真难听，真难听。
Okay, so 真, first tone meaning really.
啊，对的。
And then the adjective is
难听，难听。第二声和第一声。
okay, second tone, first tone. Now, if you break this down character by character, it literally means difficult to listen to.
Oh, but here it just means sounds terrible.
Yeah, so anything that sounds really bad, really grating, just you don't like listening to it, you use the adjective.
难听，难听。
So this could be a variety of things from ringtones to music to someone who's singing badly.
对 ，the opposite is 好听，好听。
Ah, so if it sounds really good, like nice music, nice singing,
Right.
or a great ringtone.
铃声真好听。
Okay, but in this case, it's 难听, so they start looking for Xiao Wang, and how do they ask where he is?
Ah, it's quite easy. 小王呢？小王呢？
Now, if I wanted to say where is Xiao Wang, I can say 小王在哪里 or 小王在哪儿, right?
是的，是的。
I can do that,
Or you can just use the simple way to ask where is someone.
which is
小王呢？小王呢？
okay, so this literally kind of means what about Xiao Wang? But given the context, we know we're talking about his cell phone, so it's like, well, where is he?
他在开会，在开会。
Okay, so here we have again the 在 before the verb, right?
Means it's happening now.
So the answer is not telling us where he is really, but what he's doing. So currently he's doing what?
开会，开会。第一声和第四声。
Okay, first tone, fourth tone. This means to have a meeting, right?
啊，是的。
So the whole sentence is,
他在开会，他在开会。
so you could translate that as he is having a meeting,
没错。Or maybe he is holding a meeting.
or he's in a meeting. That's probably the
Yeah.
most natural way to say it in English.
Right, right, right. You don't know.
But anyway, this having a meeting action is in progress, so we use 在.
没错。他在开会。
Okay, so he's in a meeting. Now our attention returns to the actual 铃声 itself, right?
对，声音太大了，声音太大了，
Okay, so that first word there, what is it?
声音，声音。
That's two first tones. And this means sound, right?
Yes, but here it refers to the volume of the cell phone.
Okay, and we know we're talking about the volume because of what follows, right?
太大了，太大了。
Okay, so too big. And in Chinese, you can talk about volume being big and small, like sound being big and small, which means it's too loud or it's too soft, right?
Yeah, but we don't say that in English, right?
Yeah, that would be weird to say the sound is too big.
Oh, okay. But in Chinese, you say 声音太大了。
And if it's too soft, we could say.
哦，声音太小了。
So anyway, the other person wholeheartedly agrees that the ringtone is too loud, right? And what do they say?
She says 就是就是。
就是. So this is a sort of colloquial way to totally agree with someone, right?
Really agree. Can't agree more.
So if you want to say exactly,
Or totally.
that's right. Like that's what I'm saying, right?
对对
You
对。
just say,
就是就是。
okay, and then she adds on a little more commentary, right?
她说烦死了，烦死了。
Okay, so the adjective at the core of this expression is
烦烦 F-A-N 第二声。
okay, second tone, and that means annoying.
没错。
But we add on this 死了 on the end to intensify, right?
啊，是的。
So it literally means annoying to death.
Yes, but it means it's super annoying.
All right, can we hear that again?
烦死了，烦死了。
Okay, so second tone, third tone, and then neutral, right?
烦死了，烦死了。
Okay, and I think our listeners can agree that that ringtone is super annoying.
Let's listen to the dialogue 3 more times.
Yeah, the bad news is you have to listen 3 more times. All right,
Sorry.
here we go.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Chinese Pod Trivia. Our first question is, how long will it take you to become an intermediate Chinese speaker using the Chinese Pod app? Is it A, the rest of your life? B, you should already be an intermediate speaker? C, 3 months? Or D, ChinesePod has an app?
You should already be in.
Ooh, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, 3 months. That's right. Head over to ChinesePod.com now to register for your access to over 4,000 lessons. Get the ChinesePod app now on Google Play or the App Store.
对话第一遍，
哎，谁的手机在响？
哎，小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会。
声音太大了。
就是，烦死了。
第二遍，
哎，谁的手机在响？
哎，小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会。
声音太大了。
就是，烦死了。
第三遍，
哎，谁的手机在响？
哎，小王的，
铃声真难听。小王呢？
他在开会。
声音太大了。
就是，烦死了。
Okay, so let's review a little bit. First, can you remember the word for cell phone? The word for cell phone in Chinese is
手机，手机。
okay, third tone, first tone. And then, of course, a very important word is the word for ringtone. So what is the word for ringtone in Chinese?
铃声，铃声。
All right. And I think the two expressions at the end are super useful. One is for agreeing with someone, right?
啊，就是，就是。
Like especially if someone expresses an opinion that you've had for a long time and you're really happy to get the chance to agree. Like for example, I want to say, 迪路真聪明.
啊，就是就是就是。
You're so smart. Yeah, of course you agree.
What's the other one?
And the other one is when something is super annoying.
Oh, you say 烦死了，烦死了。
我不接，我不接，我就不接你电话，我就
谁的手机在响？
不接你电话。
哎呀，是我的，不好意思，不好意思。
真难听啊。
对不起。
What is that ringtone? 什么铃声啊？
我觉得很好听。
Okay, so we're going to end this podcast now, but if you have any questions, please come to ChinesePod.com and ask us.
Or maybe if you have suggestions for ringtones, let us know.
Yeah. 再见。
再见。
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number
1600.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/1600 and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/1600.